Welcome back. I decided to be really cool and just show you my eyes. I'm just kind of screwing around with the with OBS, so see, now I can just give you, eyebrow acting. Okay. So here, let's even be cooler and funnier here. Of course, that means I have to keep my eyes and head in one position the whole time. But I'm just being funny here. And let's just do this a little bit like that. Just like that. Okay, so I'm looking to see if here. Oops, wrong button. That's alright though. Let's do this. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. Okay, so we are just about finished with the Dodge the Creeps game. How come? Alright. Wrong button. Here, like that. Okay. Okay, so what I did here was, even though I didn't do that in the last video, I actually, I added the script where it says add the script to HUD, and I just did that, and I haven't typed anything in yet, but I'm going to right now. Signal start game. Oh, right, they don't do semicolons, I guess. Start game signal tells the main node that the button's been pressed, and then I don't know about, there's nothing in here about function show message text called when we want to display a message temporarily, so just get ready on the message timer. Set the wait time to 2 and set the one shot property to on. I thought I already did that. Message timer. Let's check out my message timer here. I'm looking very intently at the message timer, and it actually says 2 because apparently we didn't set it to 2 originally, and one shot on. Awesome. Now let's actually go back to the script because I'm supposed to call, let's just put it down at the bottom, I guess. Func show message text colon message label dot text message label dot show and message timer dot start. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. Make sure everything's saved. This function is called when we want to display message temporarily, so just get ready on the message timer, set wait time to 2, one shot to on. I just did that. And now GD script. This function is called when the player loses. It will show game over for 2 seconds and then return to the title screen, and after a brief pause show start button. So I'm going to assume here, add this script to the HUD. So this is all part of the script, the same script, presumably. Okay, so that means I do another func show game over show message. Game over, man. Yield message T, is it timer, comma timeout. So it's the, I guess you're pausing the timeout timer. I'm not sure. Message label dot text equals equals dodge the /n creeps. Okay. Message label dot show yield get tree dot create timer 1 timeout in single quotes, which is kind of weird, but whatever. Start button dot show. This function is called when the player loses. It will show game over for 2 seconds and return to the title screen. After a brief pause, show the start button. Okay. Note: we need to pause for a brief time. An alternative to using a timer node is to use the scene tree's create timer function. This can be very useful to delay, such as in the above code, where we want to wait a little bit of time before showing the start button. I'd probably be using that a lot, actually, if that's the case. Okay, so now let's see if this thing is smart here. Function update score. This function is called by main whenever the score changes. Func update score colon. What's weird is that it should have updated that. Anyways, let's do that. And let's do score label dot text equals string score. Okay. Now connect the timeout signal of the message timer and the press signal of the start button. Okay, so let's go to the message timer. Let's go to node. Let's go to timeout. Let's go to connect. Let's go ahead and connect it. Target method not found. Target method not found. Specify a valid. So, how come that doesn't work? Okay, so I think it's because I haven't added it yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add it to this, which presumably is where this is supposed to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and on start Wait a second. Let's see if it creates it. Let's see something here. That's just timer. Timeout. Connect. Oh, connect to the HUD. That's where we want to connect it to. Ah, there we go. And it actually creates it for you. Okay. So somehow I don't know, maybe this node 2D is not supposed to be there, but maybe it's okay because maybe it just works. I don't know. And start button, the pressed signal. So pressed, connect, HUD, connect. Okay, so now we got like the two functions here, right? Okay, so message timer, timeout. Okay. Do $, message label dot hide. Okay. And for this, we want start button dot hide, and we want emit signal start game. Okay. And looks like our time is just about up for this video. How'd you like my eyes in the corner instead of just my whole head? Can you tell I'm smiling? Can you tell I'm frowning? Okay. So I will catch you in the next video. We'll see how that goes.